This is a porta potty review here just right off Craig Street here, Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. And they're just starting to put the pylons in for this new home here. Let's check out this porta potty here, then we'll look at the new home construction site here, out bike riding today. This is a orange in color down east. A little more red once you get in here, and looks like it was last cleaned sometime in March. Can't quite make that date out. March 3rd perhaps. We have a soap dispenser here, a couple of toilet paper rolls. Doesn't look too dirty in here, a little dirty in the urinal. Smells pretty good. Not sure what that is. Like a washer. Another one. These vents here. Toilet is open. Doesn't look dirty inside. We got our vent pipe up here. Oh, it looks like it's broke right here. Probably water could get in here if it rains. Looks like it was just put here because this construction looks like it just started. No toilet paper in the toilet paper holder, but there are two new rolls here. It's like somebody has outlined this in a Sharpie. Overall not bad in here. The floor is not vented. So let's go check the outside out of this one. Vent pipe up here. I'd give it a thumbs up. Looks like they just put this here. That's good. And this new home construction and porta potty is located just off Craig Drive, which is off Ocean Drive here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina.